Welcome to DBT GA4 Setup, Connect GA4 to BigQuery. I'm Damon. In this lesson, we're going to connect GA4 to BigQuery and look at the different connection options. Let's jump right in. Let's set up the GA4 export to BigQuery. I'm here in Google Analytics in the admin screen, and just scroll down, and here we have the link BigQuery links, and then we're going to link, choose a BigQuery project, and there's the project that we just created. Hit confirm. For me, US is okay. Now, first thing that we need to know about the export. So this 1 million daily limit, that applies to the daily full export. The streaming export is not affected by this 1 million limit. So what that means is, first of all, if you're in danger of exceeding the 1 million limit, then you need to have streaming enabled. So the streaming just gets data in within seconds, whereas the daily is processed data. It can happen up to 3 days later. The main difference with the daily is you get a few things like lifetime value in the daily, and it gets cleaned up a little bit. So if you're not in danger of going over the 1 million limit, then you can just use the daily just fine. If you are in danger, then you can use daily and streaming. And if you're always going to be over 1 million, you can just use streaming all the time. And the DBT GA4 package is fine with any combination of these settings. Then the other thing to know is the streaming export does cost money. It doesn't cost much, but like for 5 or 6 million events, it's about 10 to 20 cents a day. So, something, but not too much. The user data export is daily. Hit yes. I might as well get it. And then we hit next. We review. This looks good to me. Submit. And now it's linked to our BigQuery project. And now if we go back into BigQuery, so we're in that project that we created. If we go to IAM and admin, and hit refresh, and there you see we have this service account that's being created with BigQuery user, and that's what manages this Firebase measurement at system.gserviceaccount.com. This is what manages the connection between BigQuery and GA4. To recap, you should now have Google Analytics data streaming into BigQuery. The table should appear in minutes or days depending on the settings. I'll see you in the next lesson.